Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the model TR30 wireless HD transmitter. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. Hopefully you'll be able to see this. I apologize because there's probably not a whole lot I'm going to be able to show you. Let me take it out of the plastic and you might be able to see the box better. So, what this is supposedly is basically an HDMI transmitter, so that if you have a TV or a computer, or in my case I'm going to be using it on my digital camera, you can basically plug this in, transmit a signal, and instead of running a HDMI cable, you can just catch that signal wirelessly. So now that I've got it open, I wanted to show you all the items that it comes with. You've basically got two of these units. You've got a transmitter, you've got a receiver here. Both of them have an HDMI input. Hopefully I'm saying that right, but you've got an HDMI in, HDMI in. This is going to be what you're transmitting from. This is going to be what is receiving that signal. They give you two USB Type-C cables. You have to power these units in with the Type-C cables that they give you. There's going to be your inputs, two cables. They also give you this HDMI cable. I'm assuming that's in case you need to run a cable between the two. The whole reason I bought this, though, is so I can do everything wirelessly. So I'm not planning on using this, but I did want to show you've got a HDMI male end, and then you've got an HDMI female end. They give you two different adapters. Both of them have HDMI inputs, but then they have different outputs depending on what it is you're needing to connect to. HDMI output, and then this looks like a standard, what I call a standard Android output. And then besides that, you have just some basic instructions. Hopefully you're going to be able to see this. Should be pretty easy. You're basically going to be plugging this into whatever you're transmitting from, and this whatever you're transmitting to, and power both of them with the supplied USB cables. Let me give you a look at the instruction manual. It kind of walks you through that. Maybe you can still shot this and read it if you want to see what the setup is like. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.